Okay, Alan, sorry for the delay in getting back to you. I think more so than anything, what's kept me in this industry for so long is the people. It is the people in the fabric mills and the factories and the laundries and the development centers all over the world that are so passionate about making product and making clothing. Um, not to mention, I've had the opportunity to work at amazing companies like Ralph Lauren and Levi, and now Amo and Earl Jean and J Brand. And um, I've worked with incredible designers and production people. And I am going to miss that for sure. Um, but I am glad that it's over.